What's going on, KB? It's Mr. Vesda. This is your last letter of the day, of the week, so let's get it done. Okay, we did A, we did B, we did C, we did D, and now we are going to do the letter E. Okay, capital E, lowercase e. You know the deal. Let's get it done. We're going to learn all about this E. We're going to learn the sound. We're going to learn some words that start with E, and we're going to learn how to write capital E and lowercase e. So let's talk about E. Now, the letter E, just like the letter A, it is a vowel. So we know, and we've talked about this week a little bit, whenever we have a vowel, those vowels might have a few different sounds. But the sound we're going to work with the most is the short sound. So if I show you this E or this E in school when we're practicing our sounds, the sound you're going to make for E is eh. This is a tricky one. This might be the trickiest letter sound that we learn because it's not ah, it's not I, it's just eh. Can you practice saying eh? Good job. Let's do 3 in a row. Eh, eh, eh. Great. I love it. Now, we're going to take that eh sound and we're going to look at a list of words that start with E. However, because we know E is a vowel and it has a few different sounds, some of these words on our list aren't going to start with eh, and that's okay. But I'll be sure to point out the ones that do start with eh. Does that sound good? All right. Let's look at some words and pictures. Okay, here's our capital E and our lowercase e, and let's take a look at our first word, which is the word earth. Now, earth, we don't hear the S sound, but we do see E at the beginning. Here's Easter egg. Now, in the word Easter, we hear E, which is E saying its name, but this word right here I like a lot. Please say egg. In the word egg, we can hear eh at the beginning. Eh, eh, egg. Very good. Here's eel, long E sound. Here's egg again, without the Easter part. It's not decorated, it's just a normal egg. Eh, 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 egg. Good. Here's an eggplant, which is a vegetable that we eat sometimes. Eggplant. Here's an elephant. Elephant has eh at the beginning. Elephant. Here's elevator. Elevator has eh at the beginning. Here's an emu, which is a type of bird with the long E sound. I like this one a lot because it has our short sound eh at the beginning. Say envelope. Good. This is an equal sign. Equal starts with the long E sound, E. Here's an eraser. Here's an exit sign. The word exit, you can hear the short sound, which is the one we learned first. Eh, eh, exit. Good. And here's our list. Now, remember, don't get confused. When I ask you in school what sound E makes, we're going to work with that short sound first, so you'll say eh. But we also need to know that the letter E can make different sounds. And some of our words on our list make those different sounds for the letter E, and that's okay. Let's practice the list one more time. Just say each word after I do. Earth, Easter egg, eel, egg, eggplant, elephant, elevator, emu, envelope, equal sign, eraser, exit sign. Good job. That was 12 words, all with the letter E at the beginning. Our last job in learning about the letter E is going to be to practice writing capital E and lowercase e. So I'll see you at the board. Here we are, we're at the big board. Let's practice some capital E's and lowercase e's. Okay, let's start with capital, like we always do. When I make a capital E, I'm going to make a straight line down, top to bottom, and I'm going to pick up. You'll notice a lot of our letters start that way. Straight line down, pick up. Now, to make an E, I'm going to go back to the top. I'm going to make a line across the top. I'm going to go in the middle and make a line across the middle. And then I'm going to the bottom and make a line across the bottom. And I have a capital E. Straight line down, pick up, line across the bottom, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Or line across the top, I should say, sorry. Line across the middle, line across the bottom. Okay, let's do two more. Straight line down, and I pick up. Top, line across. Middle, line across. Bottom, line across. Just like that. I'm going to do one more a little faster. Top to bottom, top, middle, bottom. Capital E. Try to do your capital E's just like mine. Okay? Now let's talk about lowercase e. Lowercase e can be a little trickier. So let's see how this works. On your paper, you're going to start in the middle line, and you're going to make a little line out this way. You're not going to pick up. You're just going to loop it around and stop to make the shape of our lowercase e. So after we start making our lowercase e, we don't pick up our pencil at all. It's across the middle, and then a loop all the way around and leave a little space. Watch me make one more. Across the middle, loop around, leave a little space. Okay? So these are your uppercase e's, capital e's, lowercase e's. Remember, with our letter E, we talked about an entire list of words that start with E. And we're going to remember in KB, the sound we want to make for E is eh. Say it one more time. Say eh. Good job. Okay, good luck practicing with your E's. I can't wait to see how you do.